Hi guys, today I'm going to make prawn fry. To make this I'm going to need these ingredients which I've listed in the description below. To start with I'm going to take 10 to 12 finely chopped curry leaves to which I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of Ajwain, which is carom seeds in English, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, which is to my liking, but you can add how much ever you would like. Mix it all well together. Now I'm going to add 1 kg of prawns which I've cleaned and deveined. I'm going to mix it all together so that it's evenly coated. Ideally, you should marinate this at least for half an hour. Now I'm going to take about 6 to 8 curry leaves on a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is quite essential in Mangalorean cooking. It gives very rich flavor. Once my coconut oil is melted and I can see that my curry leaves are frying, I'm going to add well marinated prawns to it. Once you see that these prawns are turning opaque, turn it all over. Prawns cook super quick, so it would take you less than 2 minutes to cook on each side. Mix it all well together so that it's all evenly coated and cooked. And voila, your prawn fry is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.